Hello everyone, welcome to Perfect Electrical Solution. Today we are going to conduct an experiment to capture heel strike and corresponding muscle activity and analyze the relationship between the two. Basically we are need to perform this experiment biosignal plugs which we are going to use. So this is your wireless bioplugs psychological parameter capturing 8 channel device, and this one your Bluetooth connector, and this is your trigger switch which we provide to the subject or patient while we are conducting an experiment. When the patient is ready for the experiment, he or she will press this switch and experiment will be start. And this one is your Flexi 4 sensor module, and this is your EMG sensor which was we are used for capturing the muscle activity, and Flexi 4 sensor we used for capturing the heel strike data. And for connecting this connector of EMG we need a disposable electrode. So we having here gel based disposable electrode. Before starting the experiment, we need to ready the patient. So first I am placing the disposable gel based electrode on patient muscle where from we get the EMG signals, and then I am placing the Flexi 4 sensor at the bottom of the heel using paper tape.
Thank you.
बस ये हो गया है कनेक्ट. After that we need to connect the EMG sensor for taking the EMG or muscle activity from the disposable electrode. For connecting our Bluetooth module or biosignal plugs with our PC, we need to insert Bluetooth wireless connector to the desktop and switch on the power of your bioplug signal. Here you can see the light is blinking in your power button. After all connection, we go to the software name Open Signal Plugs, and here you can see your software now has been opened. After home screen open, click on this care box from your menu bar, and here you can see is written as one device found when your biosignal plugs and PC is interconnected. After that, your left hand side you can see a pop-up box which we used for enable or disable our device. For taking the all menu off, click on biosignal plugs written in blue and white color, and after that we go to the channel and click on the read sensor. After the sensor detail pickup by Bioplugs, you can see we are connecting in port 1 is EMG, FSR3, and in channel 5 we connected EMG sensor. Now we click on the record button where from start a real time data acquisition. Second one is your play for previous record data. Third button is used for save the perform experiment. We also provide the trigger switch to the patient or subject when he or she will ready for performing the experiment. Then they press the trigger switch and now you can see your experiment has been start recording the both of data FSR and EMG. Here you can the spikes when your FSR increase simultaneously your EMG also has been increased, because when the pressure on your heel has been increased, your muscle activity that time also has been increased. After recording for certain time, we click on stop button which was on right side of your screen. Then we click on the save button. Here you can new pop-up window has been opened. So give the file name. It is better if we provide the file name as the subject name, so can easily find the data. So here is the file destination where our data has been saved. We are clicking on two format H5 and TXT or notepad data. Now I move to the file location where our acquired data has been saved. I am copy the H file and TXT file from the location to the desktop for easy access and visibility for all of you. And then I am process TXT data. Here you can see your notepad data has been opened, and you see we having a 4 column. First column is describe the timestamp and second column is describe when we are activate with the experiment. It's mean when the person are moving or walking wearing EMG or FSR sensor. And next two column is your EMG and FSR data. So we control all and copy this data and then paste it into the Excel. Then we delete the first two column from the data because we only need the EMG or FSR data. We or select the all data from these two columns, and then we go to the insert, and next we move to the insert chart, area chart, and then use first chart shown in the pop-up box, and here you can see your chart has been plotted between EMG and FSR data. So blue line shown your heel strike and orange line shows your EMG data. From this graph we are clearly understand when the heel strike has been increased, that same time your EMG also has been increased. So we rename this chart we need a JPG format of this chart. For this we copy this chart from Excel and open paint window and paste the chart in the paint. After that we go to the file and click on save as, and then select JPG format, give the name of your chart and save your chart in JPG format. Those students who perform this experiment in our college laboratories, they need to take the print out this chart and paste it in your laboratory file. Now we are done with the experiment of capturing the heel strike and correspondence muscle activity.